Hi, my name is Mehr, and this is my presentation on the waiter's friend corkscrew. Wine has been around for centuries, as early as 6000 BC. In the 1700s, with the invention of glass blowing, people started storing wine in glass bottles. They also started using cork to seal the bottles, and that created the need to develop an equipment to pull the corks out when they were going to serve the wine. The earliest patent for the modern corkscrew that we know today was issued in 1795. The patent for the waiter's friend, the device I'll be talking about today, was issued in 1883. Today, wine is served in thousands of restaurants, wine bars, wineries, and bars across the globe. The wine business is a multi-billion-dollar industry. A reliable corkscrew has often been considered the key to successful wine service in restaurants and bars. Using improper equipment when opening wine bottles can cause numerous problems and compromise the wine's integrity. The cork can be pushed down into the bottle, or an inadequate worm, or the screw part of the corkscrew, can push dust and small pieces of cork into the wine, making it undrinkable. A corkscrew that is difficult to use, or a server that's uncomfortable with their equipment, can negatively affect the experience of wine service and therefore negatively affect customer satisfaction. There are hundreds of varieties of corkscrews on the market today, varying greatly in complexities and prices. Finding the best choice for what type to use in a business can be a difficult decision. And the waiter's friend is widely considered the most reliable and effective corkscrew by restaurant owners, servers, and bartender alike because they're inexpensive, costing between $4 to $8 a piece. They're portable, they're small, and you can fit them in your pocket and carry them wherever you go. They're effective, they're traditional, which some people, wine enthusiasts in particular, sometimes prefer a traditional wine service experience. They're very reliable, and they're easy to use. The waiter's friend is a small, pocket-sized corkscrew. It's usually 4 to 5 inches in length. Its 4 tools are pulled out for use and then folded away when not in use. The first part is a retractable serrated knife. It's used for removing the foil or the plastic capsule that surrounds the bottle top. It's always metal, approximately 20 to 30 millimeters long. It has serrated edges, which both helps cut the foil cleanly, and it keeps the blade from becoming dull. The second piece is the worm, the typical part that you think of when you think of a corkscrew. It's helix-shaped or spiral-shaped. It's made out of metal. Sometimes it's covered in Teflon or nickel to reinforce it. It's usually 45 to 60 millimeters long, and it's used to penetrate the cork by turning the corkscrew about halfway down into the cork and then locking on. The handle and lever is this part. This is what people use for leverage, to turn it around and twist to drive the screw into the cork. The last piece is the notched fulcrum. Sometimes they are single hinged and sometimes they're double. They're usually made out of stainless steel or some kind of metal, and they're used for leverage. You prop this on the edge of the bottle after the corkscrew is in place and use it to pull up and pull the cork out. It usually takes 100 pounds of force to extract a cork from a bottle once it is sealed. So this fulcrum provides a great reduction in that need for force. And when you're done with the tools, they all fold very easily into this little tiny piece that can fit in an apron or a pocket and can go anywhere with the servers or bartenders. It's a very efficient tool. Therefore, it's widely considered the most effective piece of equipment for wine servers today. Thank you.